Welcome. If you've ever accidentally reacted to a message in a Messenger group chat and want to remove that reaction, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete a reaction from any message in your Messenger group, all in just a few taps. First, make sure your Messenger app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening the Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the group chat where you want to remove your reaction. You can find your groups listed right on the main screen, so just tap the one you need. Next, scroll through the conversation until you find the message with your reaction. It could be a thumbs up, a heart, or any other emoji you used. When you've found the message, press and hold directly on it. This long press will bring up a menu of emoji reactions, just like when you first reacted. Now, here's the key step. From the pop-up menu, tap the same emoji that you originally used to react. For example, if you reacted with a heart, tap the heart emoji again. Messenger will instantly remove your reaction from that message, and it will disappear for everyone in the group. That's it. You've successfully deleted your reaction. If you want, you can always add a different reaction, or simply leave it blank. This quick method works across both private and group chats, so you're always in control of your responses. Accidental reactions happen to everyone, but now you know exactly how to fix them. Keeping your group chats tidy and clear has never been easier. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out more tips to make your Messenger experience even better.